Welcome to another REO opportunity. We're in a great neighborhood, West Hempstead, and I'm going to show you a house that's just a little rough around the edges, but an amazing one to get into. Get ready. Welcome to 555 Pinebrook Court. Hey, this home features 3 bedrooms, a private driveway, and an amazing backyard to enjoy the summer. So I said we're one of the first ones in here. Still a little rough around the edges. They're taking out the trash, which is a good thing for you. I want to show you the backyard where you're going to enjoy this summer. Hey guys, you see the wooden deck? You can tell this place is real fun in the summertime. Plenty of yard space, gardening, all the things you want. They even had a cement pad here, which was for basketball. I mean, this is awesome. Your kids got their own playground. All right, the outdoors are great. Now let's get inside. This home features a living room, dinette, and kitchen. Thank you, number 2. Now, let's go preview the rest of the house. I said we had 3 bedrooms, so let me show you.